Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'm going to be reviewing one-and-one IONOS website builder, which is a platform that is designed to help you create a professional website with ease. So if you are considering using it, make sure you check out the link in the description for the latest offers and discounts. Now without further delay, let's dive in. So one-and-one IONOS website builder is a drag and drop website builder that is designed for small businesses, freelancers, and personal projects. It actually offers pre-designed templates, built-in SEO tools, and e-commerce functionality that makes it a convenient choice for users who want to launch a website quickly without any coding knowledge. So here, if I talk about its pros, so you can see that from the first glance, if you just come on the design tab, you are going to get a beginner-friendly interface. The drag and drop editor makes it very easy for anyone to design a website without coding. If we just go to the pricing section, you will see that it offers competitive plans that makes it a budget friendly option for small businesses. You are going to get it for $1 per month with a year term. So you need to click on the C plans option and you can see that all of these plans are quite affordable. You are also going to get a fast loading speeds because it is optimized for performance, ensuring quick load times for visitors. You are also going to get 24/7 customer support, which is the reliable support to assist you whenever need. If we talk about the cons, so you won't be able to find any of the free plans here. If you just scroll down a bit, you will have to pay at least $1 per month in order to get access to the website builder. So there is no free plan available. The second thing is that customization options are somewhat restricted as compared to the other builders, so you will find limited design functionality here. So if you are looking for an affordable and easy to use website builder, the one-and-one IONOS is a solid choice. It's great for beginner and small business owners who need a simple professional looking website without too much hassle. So if you want to check it out, you can just use the link in the description. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.